Yeah, this is a nice spot. Afternoon, guys. I was looking online the other day and I seen a tarp tent set up, and I thought, right, we can get out and give it a try, see what it's like, see what room we got inside, and perhaps we can use it on one of our camping videos. So I thought I'd come out, set them up, and that looks an ideal spot to set them up to. The setup we're going to use today, you're going to need a tracking pole, a set of pegs. I'm using a DB tarp, 3x3 meters. What we're doing to do first is get the tarp laid out. Helps I have it run the right way, doesn't it? Right, let's pull them out roughly. This is going to be our entrance here, so we're at the seam going from front to back because we need that to put the tracking pole on. What we need to do first is do the two back corners. Let's grab some pegs out. What we need to do is come in one from the corner, stake that one out. Put them over nice and taut. Stake that one out. Then one from the corner. Stake that one out. Stake that one out. But now you've got your four corners in. Fold the corners in underneath. Just like that. Right, let's pull them out. Straighten them up a little bit. Now what you need to do now, you need to take this corner and move it just inside this loop here. So you move that over there. Stake them out. Stake that one out. And we go in one loop. Tighten your tracking pole up till it's nice and tight. That's giving you a basic tent shape. Now what we do, these side bits, we attach a guide line on them and pull them back to the side. Attach it with a bowl-on knot. Get another tent stake. This helps you pin the side down as well. We'll create a taut line hitch. Just to tidy it up a little bit, we'll get another guide line in the middle. This setup is ideal for summer weather when you ain't got to be enclosed all the time. Right, that's the front all sorted. Now I think what I'll do, put a guide line in the middle just to give us a bit extra room in the back end. Best way to do this one is get a tracking pole, wrap them around a few times and stick that one down. That keeps the guide line a little bit higher, just give you a better bit of clearance. There you go. That's your basic setup. One tarp, two tracking poles and a few pegs. Plenty of room in there. I reckon you could fit 2 people in there, no problems. Let's give it a try. Look at that, plenty of room. If you wanted to, you could get yourself a ground sheet, put a ground sheet down, then you won't get so damp. Very fast travelling tent setup, nice and light. Right, if you don't want it so open, we can make a few little adjustments. We can remove this guide line in the middle, and what we do is we adjust the 2 front pegs. Move this one out here slightly. Gives you a little bit more room inside as well. And that just brings the front end slightly a little bit lower for when you're inside. If it's a windy night, you know, make it a bit more robust. Just put a few more pegs in the sides. As you see inside now, it's going to be a bit more room. Plenty enough for 2 people and the backpacks and your cooking equipment. If it's only you, loads of room. One more quick look around. And if you haven't got a set of tracking poles, you can just take that guide line straight to the ground. And this tie here, you can hang it from a tree and it'll still give you the same sort of configuration. Right, there we go guys. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Click like and subscribe. Bye for now.